Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today we're going to be making the best Oreo milkshake ever. Look at this thing, it's amazing. We are going to be making the most insane Oreo milkshake. Now, this is not my first time making an Oreo milkshake, but it is going to be the best Oreo milkshake I've ever made. I think it was like 5 years ago, I made an Oreo milkshake using this as the glass, and it was decorated a little bit nice, and still one of my most popular videos. But this time, we're going bigger, way bigger. Look at the size of this glass compared to this glass. It's massive. This Oreo milkshake is going to be amazing. Not only do I have it bigger, but it's going to be better. Look at behind me of all the Oreo different stuff that we're going to decorate this glass with and just overload. It's Oreo overload here. So keep watching and we're going to make this Oreo milkshake. The first thing we're going to do is take some Oreo cookies. I'm using regular stuff for this, and we're probably going to put about 20 of them into a plastic bag. Now just let all the air out of the bag. Now we want to smash these Oreo cookies into small bits. You can use a food processor if you like. I'm using a rolling pin. You can use anything heavy and just smash away. Now what we're going to do is decorate the outside of our glass. So I have my glass, it's all clean. I have some frosting. I'm using vanilla frosting, just store-bought. You can make homemade or you can put chocolate. It doesn't matter, it's up to you. Just take some frosting. We're going to smear it all over the outside of the glass. I like to use like the top third of the glass. It's just my preference, but you can go halfway down, only a little bit. It's up to you. Just have fun with it. Just spread it all over the glass. And there we go, it's all covered. Now we're moving on to the next step. So now dump about half of your Oreo crumbs onto a plate here. Once we got our Oreo crumbs on a plate, we're just gonna take our glass that already has a frosting on it, and we're just gonna roll it around and get all those crumbs on there as good and packed as possible. Now we're going to take some full-size Oreo cookies, some of these little sticks, Oreo sticks, they're dipping sticks, I just thought they'll work really good, and some of these little mini Oreo cookies, and decorate the glass some more. And just try to stick these on there really good, especially in areas where you have more frosting, that helps. Just put a little frosting on the cookie to help it stick. And stick it. So this is what it looks like so far, but we're not done yet. Keep going. So it's coming along nicely. That's most of the outside done. We are going to do a few more things. So next I have these cookies and cream Pop-Tarts, and I'm just going to cut a notch out of it so I can stick it in between the glass on the top so it'll stick up. See how it works out. Go something like that. We'll set that aside for now because we don't want to put it on there yet, but I just wanted to get it ready. Now the fun part, we're actually going to make the milkshake part, and I have my blender here, and we're going to start off with 2 cups of whole milk, and then we're going to add some other stuff to it, but I think 2 cups will be good. I might have to add more. I'll let you know if I do. And about 8 scoops of what else? Cookies and cream ice cream, of course, right? Okay, I went with about 10 or 12 scoops. I really like my milkshake thick. Now there's already Oreo crumbs in the cookies and cream ice cream, but I'm gonna add some more just for fun. About a handful of Oreos cereal. So, put our lid on. Drizzle the inside of your glass with some chocolate sauce. I have some chocolate syrup here. Now just fill your glass with our milkshake. I could have used another half cup of milk, but instead, I'm just going to scoop some more ice cream in there, make it nice and thick. So yeah, I ended up using this whole half gallon of ice cream, cookies and cream. Now we're going to top it with some whipped cream, some more chocolate syrup, some crushed Oreos, and just go to town on this thing, really. Here we go. Lots of whipped cream. Chocolate syrup. Crushed Oreos. Our Pop-Tart. How about an Oreo ice cream bar? And to top it off, why not another chocolate Oreo ice cream bar? Now for the taste test. I don't even know how I'm going to taste this thing with this tiny little straw, but we're going to give it a try. Oh my gosh, this is Oreo heaven. You're going to absolutely love this thing. You love Oreos, you're going to love this. And don't forget to lick the side of the glass too. Eat the ice cream first. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this best Oreo milkshake ever. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button. If you're not already subscribed, you get new videos all the time. Check out this video right here. And until then, I'll see you next time. Fill our... Now the fun part, we actually who cares? Let's start over. We're just going to take our... Before we fill our glass,